Hi, welcome to Laziest TV. Today I'll be showing you another wonderful strategy, another two platforms you can merge to make good money for yourself online. To make good money for yourself online, I want you to go to your Chrome browser and search for a platform named Fiverr.com. 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 What is Fiverr.com? Fiverr, it's a platform where freelancers offer service for sale. Freelancers offer service for sale such as content creator, digital marketing experts, animation designers, graphic designers, and many more. And where you can get their service offer. So we'll be searching for YouTube art, YouTube art, YouTube channel art, or YouTube banner art. You can see which YouTube channel art category are you looking for. Create professional channel art, you can see. Create setup YouTube channel, especially if you create and set up your YouTube channel. Make YouTube stylish channel art. Design a perfect YouTube channel art. Design YouTube banner or channel art. So let's just stick to the first one and see what this guy is making for himself. What this guy is making for himself. You can see this person still has one order in queue available. That there is still one available job that he needs to do. So I will create professional channel art for YouTube. You can see for just $15. For $15. So save up to 10% with subscribe to save. So imagine you also doing this same job and also earning as this guy is also earning. So it's a good business to start. If you wanted to learn how to create these types of seller category on Fiverr setup, you can check my previous video to see how we can also set up Fiverr seller account, just like this way this guy is also doing, So let me now show you a platform you can go to start creating channel art for people. So now go to a platform named canva.com. Canva.com. So we are now on Canva.com. What is Canva.com? Canva.com, this is a graphic design platform that enable you to create whatever graphic you intend to create. It might be YouTube thumbnails, Facebook cover page, business card, certificate, and many more. Just come down to this platform to create it. So we'll be searching for YouTube channel art. Search for YouTube channel art. Scroll, let's see. Can see YouTube channel art. That's what we need. That is what we need. You can see all these are quality channel art. Quality channel. So once you have a client requesting you to create channel art for him, once you get the job, you see the way the design looks, you come to this platform to create channel art for them. Let me show you how you can start creating. You can just click on anyone. maybe in next video, or if I have chance, I will teach you guys how you can make use of Fiverr tools, how you can make use of Canva tools, to create whatever graphics you intend creating, So you can say this is a good channel art. All you just need to just click on it and start editing. Let us wanted to change this name, just click on edit, then add whatever name I wanted to add. You can see it has changed. So if I wanted to replace the image, I'll just click on it. You can see replace automatically appear, then I'll replace it. If it's my own image I wanted to upload, you can just go to upload the media, then you can through the upload media, you can then upload your own media, So that's just it. So kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. Oh wait, so if you wanted to, once you are done creating the channel art, just click on the top right hand corner to download the channel art. Once you download it, then you can then send it back to the client. That's just how easy it was. So kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I dropped awesome video just like this. Thanks.